Hey, here we go, carp freaks. Oh, happy days. I was bricking myself. To be honest, I thought I was going to blank. I thought I was having a little bit of a doze on the bed chair. Before you know it, the alarm's ripping off and I couldn't wake up. It was absolutely mental. My eyes would not open. But anyway, long story short, I think I have actually caught my target mirror carp, known as the Sargent Mirror. Identified by the 3 single scales down the side and the linear going down his dorsal. Check this out, carp freaks. 23 pounds 4 ounces. Hang on, let's give her a little bit of water. Look at this, peeps. Beast. Absolute beast. Beauty of a carp. Beautiful. Pure Norfolk mirror carp. Look at that. There's actually only about 5 mirror carp in here. But there was this one that I've been singling out, the 20 pound plus. Look at it. What an absolute beast. There you go, carp freaks. Lovely looking fish. Right, just get one on the other side, and then I'm going to release it. Such a nice fish, got lovely tall shoulders, nice pretty scales. This side hasn't got hardly any scales. Look at that, peeps. Absolute peach of a carp. So happy with this one. Colours on that. There you are, carp freaks. Right, let's get her back. Hopefully I'll catch another. There we go. Cheers for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and enjoy all my videos. Thank you very much.